sugat, tolerable eh. Kung hindi, yung ano eh. Malinisin natin yung sugat ko, guys. Ganito ako malinis ang sugat ko. Ang layo, kita ba? Ang layo.
I don't get it. He knows, doesn't he? Why doesn't he just tell the police?
Lapit natin. Malayo.
I don't get it.
Update. Nakalinis ko lang. 7 days na, guys. It's healing on the outside, but inside, oh my god, it still hurts. Ito, guys, oh. It's so hurt. It likes, it looks like a lechon baboy. It's itchy. Update. Yan, guys. Gumagaling na siya, but it's still not on the inside. Nakita nyo? Namumula pa siya. May bugbog pa kasi kami inside. Healing. It looks like, maayos na sa labas. Pero inside, it's not really good. Yay!